Skola. World-first software. Create profitable virtual events in 3 easy steps. Build a following and DAMP. Deliver an incredible online learning experience with your first virtual event. Lifetime deal. Launch exclusive bonus. Virtual event accelerator today only. Sell tickets to your virtual event. Page number 1. Virtual event landing page. Page number 2 option A basic ticket. Page number 2 option B VIP ticket. Page #3. Thank you page. In this session Sam is going to be introducing the Virtual Event Summit, the speakers, the topics and outlining the strategy you'll learn within this virtual event. There will be a 15-minute DAMP at the end of this session. Post your questions within chat during this live session. We'll respond to them during the event. Generate leads, drive more sales and DAMP. Deliver amazing virtual experiences to customers. Profit method number 1, virtual event giveaways. Generate leads with free virtual events. Give away tickets to a free event. As participants register for your event, capture them into your subscriber list automatically. Better than webinars. Profit method number 2, paid virtual events. Make money selling tickets to your virtual events. Sell tickets to your virtual event and make money. $1,619.69 better than courses. Profit method number 3, virtual event delivery. Build a following running an enjoyable virtual experience. Deliver your event in the future. Skola provides participants with an enjoyable, engaging and fun virtual experience. Watch. Here's the proof. Sales-ready virtual events in minutes. Create, sell then deliver virtual events. Secret ingredient to success. Sell first, deliver later. Sell access tickets to your virtual event before you deliver it. Pre-sell tickets days, weeks or months in advance. Customize to your brand. Customize to your brand. Customize the look and feel of your virtual event. Use our virtual event designer to effortlessly sync your marketing pages with your event brand. Deliver your event the way you want. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. Your event counts down until opening. Event participants gain access to a virtual lobby where they can see time counting down before your event begins. Scheduled, evergreen, recurring. Get access to virtual events with Skola now. Get virtual events now. 30-day money-back guarantee. Attendees receive private access to your event's waiting room. Event post feed. Communicate immediately with your participants and keep them informed with your own event post feed. Send an email instantly with each update. Every update is featured on a participant's event feed. Sessions calendar. Schedule your event's agenda and important dates, times and events on a shared calendar. Attendees can sync the calendar with their Google Calendar. Simulated live streaming. Deliver content through a simulated live stream. Then post replays of the training automatically after the end of the event. Zoom and DAMP. GoToWebinar integrations. Either stream your simulated live event through our system, or use Zoom or GoToWebinar to run the live events. Participants can choose which sessions they want to register to attend right from within their event lobby. Real-time tracking. Track the activity and responsiveness of your event attendees. Run virtual events for clients and DAMP. Get paid. Get paid to sell then run virtual events for clients. Transform old courses into virtual events. Turn your old courses or content into an engaging, fresh virtual event in minutes. Level up coaching and DAMP. Training events. Add another income to your coaching or training business. Run a virtual event now. Take a closer look at all of these incredible features. Proven sales funnel. Edit landing pages, checkout pages and DAMP. More with our easy drag and drop page editor. Funnel planner. Plan your lessons fast within a drag-and-drop planner. Drag-and-drop editor. Edit landing pages, checkout pages and damp. More with our easy drag-and-drop page editor. Conversion tracking. Track conversions throughout your sales funnels. Payments. Payment processing with Stripe. Transactions. Manage transactions in one place. Ticket bundles. Bundle and damp. Sell multiple packages. For both attendee and damp. Company. Manage tickets. Manage participant tickets. Issue refunds or edit attendance. Calendar. Schedule sessions within an event calendar. Posts. Post or schedule updates to your participants. Live. Simulate a live stream at the time of your scheduled sessions. Replays. Live sessions become replays for attendees to watch again. Domain and damp. SSL. Use our subdomain or add your own domain. We provide you with a free SSL. Hosting. All of our pages and events are hosted for you. Simply connect your custom domain and you're ready to go. Participant tracking. Track your participants' progress through your virtual event. Mobile responsive. Virtual events can be run and viewed on all devices. Secure lifetime. Access today. Secure your lifetime founder price when you get access today. Simply click Get Virtual Events Now below and reserve your spot. Get Virtual Events Now. Included today. Virtual event start. Create and damp. Sell your first profitable virtual event in 7 days or less. Fast start training. Walkthrough videos and in-depth guides. Strategy planner. In-depth goal worksheet. Step-by-step 7-day process blueprint. Live calls with virtual event experts. Lifetime access. You'll receive lifetime access to all of the content within this training. Daily training. You're invited to 7 live damp workshops. Each is recorded and posted into the challenge. Tools and damp. Resources. Download and damp. Use invaluable resources and damp. Done for you tools. How Virtual Events Accelerator transforms your business with 3 key steps. 1. How to easily swipe competitors' product offerings in less than 10 minutes. 2. How to clone competitor products in less than 10 minutes. Without creating anything. 3. How to rapidly deploy your own virtual event and get the same customers enrolling without paying a cent for traffic or creating anything yet. Here's what customers are saying. Get Virtual Events Now. 30-day money-back guarantee included. Virtual Events by Skola Software. Unlimited virtual events. Done for you funnel. Funnel planner. Drag and drop editor. Conversion tracking. Payments. Transactions. Ticket bundles. Manage tickets. Calendar. Posts. Simulated live streaming. Replays. Domain and damp. SSL. Hosting. Participants tracking. Mobile responsive. 30-day money-back guarantee. Get access to commercial rights to virtual events with Skola now. No need to pay $497. Pay just $197 only. Get Virtual Events Now. 30-day money-back guarantee. You save $300 today. Here's what customers are saying. 30-day money-back guarantee. Test this software for yourself for 30 days, and if you're not satisfied for whatever reason, simply send your receipt to our support desk and we'll return your money immediately.